Sarvam is now trying to build the entire supply chain around them. In a blog post, Sarvam describes Circle as a partnership program for firms with the reach and trust to get its technology into every institution in India. It is aimed at co-creating industry solutions, pursuing opportunities jointly, and using forward-deployed engineering teams to turn pilots into production. Now, this comes as Sarvam expands beyond foundation models into a full enterprise AI product line. It shall include conversational agents, document intelligence, content transformation, coding agents, and work agents. Now, the company says its stack already handles more than 2 million voice conversations and roughly 10 million API calls daily. Now, this is happening while digitizing 35 million pages across public and private sector deployments. Now, Sarvam's models are now available in AWS Marketplace. AWS India and South Asia President Sandeep Datta called it a shared commitment to India's AI mission, making it easier for businesses to discover and procure Sarvam's models. Now, on consulting, YCP India will help enterprises translate Sarvam's models into sector strategy and boardroom decisions, according to managing partner Abhishek Mukherjee. Now, for implementation, HCL Tech and ThoughtWorks will integrate Sarvam's platform into customers' existing systems. HCL Tech's Sandeep Kumar Saxena described it as a joint push toward, and I quote, sovereign AI solutions, end quote, for private and public sector enterprises as well as government entities. Now, on the hardware side, IBM joins as an OEM partner. It is combining its sovereign core offering with Sarvam's models to help governments and regulated industries deploy AI while maintaining governance and compliance. HP will integrate Sarvam's AI into its PC portfolio by enabling on-device deployments across enterprises, classrooms, and government offices. Rounding out the entire lineup, enterprise software firm Mo Engage is embedding Sarvam's voice AI into customer engagement workflows. Now, the global head of partnerships, Sanjay Kupai, said the aim is more personalized marketing messages and stronger customer engagement. And here, of course, comes the front page take. Now, at this moment, cloud marketplace listings, consulting tie-ups, and OEM deals are standard enterprise AI playbook moves, by the way, up the sleeves of their own owners. Now, what's notable is that Sarvam has bundled them under a single branded program and positioned it as ecosystem infrastructure rather than a collection of deals. Now, whether Circle becomes a shared infrastructure now is honestly the key thing to watch out for. Now, is this Sarvam building the ecosystem India's enterprise AI adoption has actually been missing, or a branding exercise dressing up partner deals as, well, something bigger? What do you think? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.